Okay, so now that we've drawn one point perspective, real simple, um, other things you can do is add information to it. So, like if you wanted to draw a couch, um, let's say make sure your lines are straight up and down. Here's a couch over here. I'm just going to draw the side of the couch, and it's just going to be super simple like that. And then I'm going to draw it to connect to this vanishing point here, the top and the bottom, and then the curve of the couch, and then replicate this curve based on that. So it's going to be much smaller. And this is a really long couch, I guess. So there's my couch. So drawing really simple couch right there. And then erasing those lines. So yeah, you can start filling your room in with different furniture. That's not see-through. Just like that. Super simple. I want to show you another thing. So when the students were drawing in the hallways, they came to a problem where they're looking straight down a hallway. So really simple, very similar to this. But in the hallway of the building, you could turn left or you could turn right down another hallway. So it wasn't a dead end, it was a T-shaped pathway. And the students inevitably drew their drawings like a dead end. And they couldn't figure out how to draw the hallway so that there was a pathway to the left and a pathway to the right. And this is a really simple problem. And remember, when you think of your drawing as a hallway, it makes it a lot more difficult to draw. If you just look at the lines and shapes and identify things as lines and shapes instead of a hallway that, recedes into space or turns left or turns right, it's going to make your life a lot easier. So here is that same wall. Only we don't want to draw it as a dead end. We want to be able to turn left and turn right. So here would be like your dead end where the corners meet up with these walls. So how the heck do you make it look like there's a walkway to the left and to the right? Super easy. You would notice that these walls right here extend higher up and down, this way and that way. And I'll show you what happens here in a minute. We're going to erase this. So you can already see that space, that illusion of space. Like none of this is actual space. We're drawing on a two-dimensional surface. But then let's say here's my line of sight right here, the vanishing point. And I'll connect that right here and connect that right here. And now you can see the wall ends. So you're walking down this hall, it ends, and then there's that space right there. Well, not literal space, but the illusion of space where you can walk around that corner. Same thing here. Just connect this to this and this to this. And now you've got a way to walk to the left and walk to the right. There's a hallway down by the science rooms where there's only one way to turn. So if there's only one way to turn right, we got to get rid of this walkway right here, right? So simple as this, you just connect it to the back wall and draw that and then erase all of this. So now you have a wall that goes all the way to the back wall on the left-hand side. And then you can turn right on the right-hand side. So super easy to do. I would highly recommend you try drawing this out so that you play with, creating a maze of some sort. But super easy to do, really cool trick. But that is the second tutorial.